So hey guys, it's me Chris and you are watching Go Cali Take God, and today I brought some new and special things for you guys. Look at here, it's my new tripod. So guys, today I'm going to unbox this brand new tripod. So let's watch till end, and if you haven't subscribed, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and watch my new unboxing video. Really excited to open this. So this is our tripod 3110 and made in China, and it look like this, and it's three-way head built in the level forsake aluminum, and its weight is 420 gram. It's 1020 mm. So now let's open this one. So finally I opened this one. So now let's look how does it look. So there is one bag, black colored bag. Let's see how does it look. So it have a 3 leg in it with aluminum leg, and it's look so small, but you can make it long. It have aluminum bolts, so it doesn't look cheapest one. Look, it looks so good, man. So at the inside this box there is one small mobile stand for your tripod. You can use both mobile phone and your camera too. So it plastic quality is also good one. Look at here, it's good. So this is the way you can put your stand erect, and by make it loose you can just rotate it left to right. So guys, it is very easy to use and carry in your bag.